Welcome to Architecture Case Study. We come again with a new architecture project. I hope you enjoy this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our project name is Concrete House. Architects, Raw Architecture Workshop. Photographs Terry and Perry. Interior Styling, Chapter 8 Design, City, Lewis, Country, United Kingdom. The project exposes the soft side of the concrete monolith, guiding viewers through an open family home full of natural light, mid-century furniture, art, and lush indoor greenery. The raw surfaces of concrete walls, steel industrial fittings, leather antiques, and personal treasures change in color and contrast depending on light levels, adding depth and texture to their surroundings. Concrete House is the first building in the world to be built of advanced fiber reinforced concrete, a durable anti-cracking material developed by Cemex and tested for thermal and structural properties by the University of Zurich. The concrete's fiber composition means it does not require reinforced steel bars to strengthen or hold the structure, making it the first concrete building in the world to be built without rebars in the walls. Concrete House was designed by Raw Architecture Workshop for Adrian and Megan Corrigal and their young family. A lover of concrete since his youth spent skating around Glasgow car parks, Adrian was also influenced by brutalist icons such as the Barbican, the National Theatre, and architect Louis Kahn's use of light to draw occupants through spaces. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends and family.